face every day. How does depression, because there are so many depression cases in our country right now, even we are talking about global. So world, I can say right now facing depression, so many challenging, so many people around us because of even pandemic as well. You can see there are so many mental health issues with people. How does depression affect oral health?
Okay, this is very tough question actually, but okay. I think this is actually a very good question with the current times, because what COVID-19 has done, it has not only affected the human body, it has affected the mind also.
Mhm.
ऐसा नहीं कि जो बीमार है सिर्फ वही बीमार है, जो घर पे बैठे हैं वो बीमारी के नाम से भी बीमार होने लग गए. So what actually depression is, I had read somewhere, depression is actually an altered state of mind. Your mind is not in a proper state, it is an alternative stage, which is not you, definitely. So what depression does is, you start getting neglecting things, you start becoming like careless for your own body. So in the body, then our oral cavity also counts. So when a person is undergoing depression, or like for whatever the reason is, I think he or she just does not want to pay attention of like keeping up his general physical hygiene as well and oral hygiene as well. So what I can recall is that I have seen some patients who have had depressions and they are on antidepressants. What antidepressants do, it causes your saliva development to reduce. The antidepressant drugs are like that. They act on your body, they make you calm, they make you relax. They also act on your salivary glands. When they act on your salivary glands, they causes reduction in the saliva, and there the role of dentist become very important. So I hope this message by this talk show and interaction reaches out to many people who are undergoing a treatment for depression, which is not a bad thing. If you are undergoing a depression, you obviously need a treatment. It is not a disease, it is just something you are particularly, and that cannot last forever. So if you are going for such kind of treatment, you are on anti-anxiety drugs, antidepressant drugs, do also take care that you have a good oral hygiene maintenance at home, or at least keep consulting a dentist, because the drugs or your altered state of mind can cause you to neglect your oral hygiene. So this, which might not lead to a problem in the future, it is good that we can always encounter it at the first base. And you should keep in touch with your dentist, or at least if you're not willing to go to a dentist, at least keep a good call on your oral hygiene. Because depression is not something like you have to like, अब मुझसे कुछ नहीं होगा, मुझे कुछ नहीं करना, मैं डिप्रेशन में, मुझे छोड़ दो, ना मुझे नहाना है, ना मुझे ब्रश करना है. It is not like that. It is just a state. You can fight it back anytime, but you have to keep good at yourself. Eat well, keep yourself clean, keep your teeth clean, and everything will be fine one day in place.
I think very, very valid answer, because in these days I can see most of people are into only just anxiety or stress, but they are calling themselves I'm into depression. And I think people need to understand what is the meaning of depression, and how depression is too big, that they need to understand, because depression is not just a joke. For people might be, it could be one word, but for someone it could be a big big disease. So that is
Definitely.
very important. And especially I understand, sometimes what happens when people are into stress or anxiety or the bunch of disorder, I can say. So I never call like, somebody is into depression, are you into depression? Or somebody is calling, coming to me to having coaching session, I never ask, are you in depression? Right? That person is saying I'm into depression, say I relax. Might be you have disorder, might be you have bunch of disorders, but you are not suffering depression. Depression is something beyond that. So if we talk about oral health, definitely our oral health is important. And everyone has oral health is very important, and that's affect always on mental health. Most of time what I see, when your situation, your emotion and feeling is low, so definitely you will sound very low. So your throat is always very down, very low, Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Correct.
perfectly fine. You know, like that, you will sound like that. The same thing, and your tongue most of time you will feel rehydrate because of your stress and anxiety. You are not having proper
Yes.
water, and that
Yes.
this is my assumption, and you correct if I'm wrong somewhere. That affects your teeth as well.
Yeah, you are absolutely correct.
So
So
rehydration is also part
habit
of.
of grinding their
Mhm.
teeth when they are, anxious
Stress,
and so many
anxiety,
things.
Absolutely.
Which we see already in the patient. So we ask them, are you suffering from some kind of, anxiety or
stress orders.
stress orders?
We have
Yeah.
people from IT who have working hours of 16 hours. Like they are all lying on systems. So what they
Yeah.
do, like they bite their teeth or they keep pens, hard biting. They are in stress. They have deadlines to make.
Yeah.
So it all comes on the mouth because this is the most sensitive area of our body. Anything we can do, we feel it in a snap. So this is very one common, especially with the people of our age, our generation, who are doing some stressful jobs. So they really need to take care of this.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I completely agreed with you because this is something very important and we need to understand. So, I'm because this is something very excited. We are talking and we are enjoying this talk show because most of people need this kind of content. And I personally believe, as a life coach, as a mental health expert, in creativity and innovation. Very rarely people just understanding about connection between mental health and oral health, but I'm blessed to have you, both of you, in my connection, so that you understand how it works and how it will be helpful for others. Your initiative at this challenging time is really, really outstanding. Would like to ask one question, Raj and Isha, because you both are very good expert in your domain, and my domain is mental health, your domain is oral health, and I just decided to combine it, and let's do something creative, innovative for our society so that it will be more helpful for everyone. What is because we as a lives honored family always think from different perspective where somebody is not thinking, right? So just would like to know what is your thought about lives honor and our talk show.
I think
Okay.
for me, I think Lives Honor is a great platform, like for people to connect, and you are doing a great job. You are inspiring so many people, and you are helping so many people. You are actually making an impact in people. So globally, the impact that you are creating and you have already created, and I'm sure it would be million times more that you are going to create now in future. So for me, it is really amazing, and I have always, like from childhood, I always wanted to contribute something to society, and I think this is the way I'm contributing something. I chose a profession that could contribute to society. I chose dentistry, and now being on such kind of talk shows and helping people to address their issues, and if one's life can be impacted by a talk show, I think that would make my aim successful. So that's the goal of my life. If I can change, I can transform one person's life, I think it's enough. So I think for me, it's a great platform, and I think kudos to you, and you should keep continue your work in this domain. And if you need any help from my side, again, so I would definitely be there to contribute any kind of help that you need.
Thank you for your words, Isha. Thank you so much, really appreciate it.
I'll also like to add, like first time when I heard about Lives Honor, I just checked it the website. I was so attracted. It is very vibrant. Firstly, when you like open it, it is so much open, reachable. You
Yeah.
can easily reach out. Anyone can reach out anywhere. You just actually जो कहा जाता है, you are one click away. You are actually one click away. So previous 2 3 years back, I really did not thought that some would need coaching for life. ऐसा कोई कोचिंग होता है कि लाइफ के लिए कोई कोचिंग की क्या जरूरत है? वी आर ऑल लिविंग अ रूटीन लाइफ. दिस इज बिकॉज आई वॉज लिविंग अ नॉर्मल लाइफ. I never thought of anyone else. But as the time passed, and then especially I really got my mind changed when I saw COVID-19 all over the globe. Even I got shaken. Even I thought that this is the time someone could talk to me, someone could just calm me down. So life honor is the need of the hour for almost everyone, regardless of the age, because we are all at so much complicated life these days. We have so much to work, working hours. We have all made that barriers for us ourselves. Like we have to prove ourselves. We prove ourselves by salaries, by incomes, by whatever we have. So we need someone who can like just guide us. It is kind of meditation for your mental health. What I can really say that it is a meditation. Life Honor is just providing meditation to everyone and anyone around who's having any problem. You just go on the website, just click. Even if I'll have some problem, I'll definitely go and click, have a session, because it is really good. What these times have made me realize, just talk to someone before taking any big steps. Just talk to someone and you'll find out that whatever your problem is it as small as a pea size. Nothing is as big. Everything can be solved by talking. You just need good coaches like Mr. Arjun sir. He'll always guide you. He'll always enlighten you. And he's not a guru. He's just a friend. He talks to you as a friend, and he'll motivate you so much that you will feel कि कल फिर से बात करते हैं और I'll live a new life again. So it is the need
Thank
of
you.
our.
Thank you, Rajesh sir. Really very big words for me. And but what I would like to say, this is not only me, this is we. Because today, if you both are contributing here, that's why we are we,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And this is not me. We all can help for society, and this is something our lives on a family personally believe, and you both are also. And plus, especially, I would like to say all my audience, Ekdant Dental Wellness not working only for dental wellness, working for complete oral wellness, right?
Yes.
So, Indore, Ekdant Dental Wellness Indore. Whenever
Yeah.
you are visiting there, Indore, I'm not saying go for the treatment, go and meet with these wonderful doctors. Those are working for the humanity. Let's have chat for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. They will help you. So and especially my user, those are from Indore, they don't want to go somewhere else if you have a great doctor in your city. So Ekdam Dental Wellness is best place for your wellness, and they will give you complete solution. You can see in this talk show as well. So I wish for your wellness studio, Ekdam Wellness Studio is really wonderful. You are doing such a fantastic work, and I wish for a great success for both of you also. And apart from that, before closing, I would like to say special thanks to both of you, Ekdant Wellness Center as well Indore, because very important. आप दोनों का time इस pandemic में really appreciated है. Doctors के पास बहुत pressure और आपके पास भी appointment थी, आपने से cancel करके time दिया. Really thankful for both of you. And especially thanks apart from that, my complete Lives Honor family, those are having such a wonderful time with me and with us, and that's why we are we. And apart from that, thank you for all who all are associated with this, the coaching talk